This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an alternator on a Dodge Avenger. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Next, gather all your necessary tools, including a serpentine belt tensioner tool, various wrenches, and a socket set. Make sure your vehicle is parked on a flat, stable surface and properly secured before you begin any work. Now, let's remove the old alternator. Use your serpentine belt tool to release the tension, then carefully slide the belt off the alternator pulley. Next, disconnect all electrical connections, including the main power wire and any smaller sensor wires. Finally, unbolt the mounting bolts that secure the alternator to the engine bracket and carefully lift out the old unit. With the old alternator out, it's time to install the new one. Carefully place the new alternator into its mounting bracket and hand tighten the bolts. Once aligned, fully tighten all mounting bolts to the manufacturer's specifications. Reconnect all electrical wires and connectors, ensuring they are snug. Finally, route the serpentine belt back onto all pulleys, making sure it's seated correctly. Before you finish, double-check all your connections and ensure no tools are left in the engine bay. Reconnect the negative battery cable securely. Start your engine and observe the dashboard for any battery or charging system warning lights. Ideally, use a multimeter to confirm the new alternator is charging the battery correctly, typically between 13.5 and 14.5 volts. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.